Hey everybody, I'm just feeling bored and I wanted to make something on YouTube. So, I just want to make a video. Fun. You heard that? Heard it? So, yeah. I was so crack. Okay, let me see, can I crack my feet? Nope. I can't. So, I'm going to make a film called How Am You Flirt? How am you flirting? How am you flirting? How am you flirting? Flirting, flirting. How am you flirting? How am you flirting? How am you flirting? Flirting. All I do is flirting. All I do is flirt. Flirting. I just want to tell you why they always be flirting. They flirting, flirting. I'm speaking, talking, they flirting. That's what it called flirting. So leave me alone and go to your crib. I'm at my crib. If you want to go to my crib, you can and be flirting. And tell me how animals be flirting. They always flirt. How am flirting. Going to the mall and I will be talking about some J's and some Jordans and some J shirts and some J pants. They always be flirting in the mall. I don't know what's wrong with flirting. Hit hard. Oh, could I let me some flirting. They always be flirting. Always be flirting.